Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully created our custom admin login page. Now in this video I want to simply refresh our total dashboard. Which things will be needed, I want to take it, rest of this I want to remove. Like first of all, that is in our sidebar. Okay, into the sidebar area I want to change it, only some of the menu I want to take, laterally which things will be needed we'll add it. Okay. Right now if you want to change anything, I have already segmented all that our page. Right now that is our sidebar. If you now go, right now we don't need it, and also we don't need this. And if you go to that our resources, into the resources view, and then in our admin body sidebar. Okay, into the body sidebar, first of all that is our dashboard. And into the dashboard area, we can actually add our route. That is a default route here. I want to also now able to access it. You can see there is an admin dashboard. So I want to access it. Now I want to better update that route, your route. Okay, here I want to update it. That will be one of the route. And route will be which one? That will be as an admin dashboard. Great. Here it's successfully done. Only I want to take that the web app. In our web app there is an email. I want to take only one, and then the inbox, that is our three of this menu. That is a car chart, we don't need it. I want to simply take another one as a calendar, and there is a component. Into the component area there have the so many. Okay, here only I want to take two, rest of this I want to remove. Like that is our UI kit. UI kit, they have the so many sub menu. I want to take only two, and rest of this I want to remove. Okay, they have the so many. Okay, I want to remove it. Great. So for the UI kit, now that it should be as a 2. Great. Also I want to take advanced UI, and rest of this I want to actually remove. Okay, advanced UI, they have also some of the sub menu. I want to take 2, rest of this I want to remove. And then another li, if you select this li is ended. Li by li I want to remove, then that will be actually better. I want to remove this li. There is also another li is ended. I want to simply select it, I want to remove it. Rest of all I want to actually remove. There is also another li is ended. I remove it. The pages, area, they have the 3, we don't need it actually. Only you can take that as a documents. So there is a pages, I want to remove it. There is a li is ended here. I want to remove this li. And also there is authenticate, I want to remove it. Another li, I want to remove it. Okay, great. Now there is a documentation. You can take it as per your demand. But I want to change that name. Right here we don't need anything actually. I want to make it as a hash. Great. Now if you click as a save all, now our sidebar should be very clean. Now refresh it. Yeah, you can see there is only the one. Perfect. Okay, there is a 2 menu, there is a 2 menu. So we successfully refresh our sidebar. Now on to update our header. You can also add some of the notification. So they have some of the notification that will be needed. Okay, here only we don't need this language option. We can also remove this language option. So if you want to update anything in our header, that I have already created another page in our body as a header, and you can see that is the total English, France, different type of language. I want to select this li is ended. I want to remove this li. Okay, now that should be gone. Click as a save all. Now I refresh it. You can see it's now totally gone. Great. Then there is an email, that is for the notification, that is for our admin panel. Great. So now I want to update our here. Okay, that means in our index there is a main el part. Here only I want to take all the things will be needed. And then that is our revenue. Here we don't need this revenue, monthly salary. If you want to load this, you can actually take it. Also cloud storage, we don't need it. I want to remove it. So if you want to remove, we have to go to that our index page, and that means that is in our everything index page, right? You can see there is a welcome dashboard. So here I want to find out it. I want to find out that revenue. I copy it, and now if you go and here if you find out that revenue, perfect. So now there is a revenue part. Here I want to remove total row. You can see if you select this dev is ended. Dev by dev, simply want to better remove it. Then it will be helpful. Now I want to remove this li. That is total row. Now click as a save all. And now if you go refresh it, now that should be gone. Perfect. And also another one is a monthly salary cloud storage. I want to take that monthly salary. I want to remove this cloud storage. If you want to do this work, after that you can see there is a monthly salary, and they have the another row, and row is divided with the 12, right? I hope if you already know that little bit bootstrap, you already know about all that code. Into the row 12, it's getting that as 8. Another row is if you minimize it, yes, you can see there is another is a 4, and that is the cloud storage. Okay, right now we don't need it. I want to minimize it. If you select this div, you can see there is one part and that is also another part. So there is actually one part and that is also another part. Okay, I want to remove this one as a cloud storage. So that is actually our cloud storage, right? I want to remove it. I want to simply remove this div, and now if you click as a save all, that should be gone. Now refresh it. Because it's not gone, and better I want to now make it as a total wide. That means I want to make it as a 12. Okay, that will be as a 12, and also I want to make it as a 12. Now click as a save all, and now if you go refresh it, perfect. Now that is actually 12. And also if you want to check that our responsive mode, you can check it. Perfect. It's also very responsive. That is also successfully working, right? Great. So everything is worked perfectly in here. That is also so much responsive. Perfect. Okay, here first of all I want to complete all that our basic essential things, like here I am successfully already complete that logout functionality. So here if you want to update that admin profile, you can update this profile from here. Our change password is also very important. So how to add that change password functionality, everything one by one I will cover. Okay, great. So next video I want to work for changing our profile, that means admin profile. So how to do this work, next video I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.